Hello, what's up guys? Saya Modeler here with another Gunpla video. This time, I will review the latest expansion kit of RG Line released as P Bandai exclusive. This is the review of P Bandai Heavy Weapon System or HWS expansion set for Real Grade New Gundam. For your information, Bandai released two kinds of HWS kit. One is an expansion set like the one we will review today, which will need one separately sold RG New Gundam. Another one is a full HWS kit which already includes New Gundam. So, the expansion set is much more cheaper than the full kit, of course, because it is basically just an add-on with the original price of 1,980 yen. Anyway, let's talk a little background story about HWS New Gundam in case you've never heard about it before. The HWS New Gundam is a mobile suit featured in Charge Counter-Attack MSV, and it was designed to enhance the New Gundam's offensive and defensive capabilities. Of course, in case the second Neo Zeon War becomes longer than expected. These improvements included the additional armors, built-in propellant tanks, extra thrusters, and various heavy weaponry added to the mobile suit. Unfortunately, the HWS plan was never completed because of the original New Gundam rush deployment and Amuro Ray, who eventually gone after the war. Simply speaking, the HWS is just basically a concept mobile suit and you may never see it in any Gundam shows. Back to the kit, the HWS expansion set comes with 5 runners and 1 sticker sheet. Yes, sticker, not water slides, unfortunately. You can also see here the manual says that you will need an assembled RG New Gundam to build with this expansion set, because the parts cannot be applied to an already assembled kit. Is it true? Wrong. The truth is, you can actually build this expansion kit by removing very few parts of the assembled New Gundam. And believe me, it is actually very simple, easy, and you can do it without any tools. All you have to do is just removing these parts on the legs, those sensor things on the chest, and upper sides of back skirt. And that's all. The next step is just building the parts and attach them to the places where the previous ones located. And these are the assembled expansion parts which have been already panel-lined and almost all stickers put on them. You can see the details look awesome. Anyway, I didn't put big stickers on the leg armors because it would cover the other details and make the part looks ugly, so I just ignored them. These expansion parts could be easily attached to the body parts of New Gundam. For example, just push like this, and there you go for the legs. For the front skirt, you just need to pull them down like this and attach the extra skirt armor like this. Now, he's starting to look fat. The next is back skirt. Similar with previous parts, you just need to attach the new armors like this and done. Now, let's proceed to the chest armor. This is the most fragile part of this expansion set, so you should do it carefully. Like before, you just need to attach the chest armor to the body and lock it with the backside of a shoulder missile launcher. We're almost finished. For the high mega shield, you will need the normal shield of RG New Gundam. Just push it inside the giant shield and lock. For the hyper mega rifle, you can just use normal trigger hand of New Gundam to hold it. And finally, slide the left arm into this part and attach the giant shield. Mission accomplished. And this is how the New Gundam looks like after all HWS expansion parts attached on its body. It looks so awesome with all RG details. And you may probably realize just by looking that these parts also make the New Gundams becomes heavy. I mean, very heavy. Just look at the action base tilted when you put the kit on it. You can of course put the double fin funnels if you have them, but just be careful because the extra weight may break the arm of the action base. For safety, you can use the action base which came with the double fin funnels expansion set because it is stronger than a typical one. The weight of giant shield and fin funnels on the backpack even making the torso slightly bend backward. The extra armors also make the kit less articulated than before. It is much more difficult to lift the left arm with such heavy shield now. Fortunately, the right arm has no difficulties to hold the Hyper Mega rifle. So, simply speaking, you can still make decent poses with these bulky armors, but of course, it won't be easy as normal new without extra armors. For extra gimmicks, you can extend the length of the rifle like this, and extend the stance like this. For the shield, you can also extend the Mega Particle Cannon like this. And finally, you can open up the hatches on the chest armor to reveal the missiles inside. So, those are the features came with this new HWS expansion set for RG New Gundam. I will say that this is a good add-on, and I personally think that is better than double fin funnel expansion set. It is easy to set up by disassembling very few parts of New Gundam, and it provides more gimmicks to the kit. The stickers were also okay, except the ones for the leg armor, of course. The only issue I have was the extra weight of the kit, which made the kit harder to pose and play with. By the way, you can of course revert back to normal New Gundam anytime you want, just by detaching the extra armors. In summary, if you like RG New Gundam, you'd better have this add-on. Really recommend it. So that's all the review for the Heavy Weapon System expansion set for RG New Gundam. If you have any thoughts or opinion, just give a comment below and subscribe. So thanks for watching, and I will see you soon on the next review.